Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream donuts at home. First, let's prepare our dough. Begin by combining 1/2 cup of warm milk with 1 packet of active dry yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then, in a large bowl, mix 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. Add the yeast mixture and knead for 10 minutes until smooth. Cover and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Once your dough has beautifully risen, it's time to shape and fry our donuts. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your donut shapes. Place these on a baking sheet, cover, and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry each donut for 1 to 2 minutes per side, until they are a lovely golden brown. Now for the star of the show, the luscious cream filling. In a chilled bowl, combine 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, beat the mixture on high speed until stiff peaks form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. For an extra rich flavor, you can incorporate 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. Cover the bowl and chill the cream filling in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. With your donuts cooled and your cream filling chilled, it's time for the final, delightful step. Using a small knife, make a tiny incision on the side of each donut. Transfer your prepared cream filling into a pastry bag fitted with a small round tip. Gently pipe a generous amount of cream into each donut until it feels full. Finally, dust your beautiful cream-filled donuts generously with powdered sugar. Serve them immediately to enjoy their fresh, soft texture and rich, creamy center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.